Yesterday, I had the great privilege of hosting Minister Masuka at my farm, Mount Carmel in Chegutu. Sabi na mashuko bada tuko panapa na Dr. Tungwarara Pamsoro, aiwa pay a visit. Yanoita kupike farm, pakuchitene with his own farm. Don't was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Pankwa hindi rikuno kwanzi, mapower struggles. Aiwa they are simmering in the ruling parties and PF. And these same farms they are using, aiwa is my political battlefields. Starting from the Kwekwe farm, we are seeing also VP Kosano Chwenga on Sunday. He snapped the Itagwire wedding akanenda ku the ZVAITWA farm, and now we are also seeing Tungwarara also calling my ministers to his own farm. Pankwa ine mobudani pamchinzi. Yesterday, I had the great privilege of hosting Minister Masuka at my farm, Mount Carmel in Chegutu. The minister toured the farm, and I am proud to say we are doing excellent work there. I have also had the honor of visiting the Kwekwe farm many times, where I take the opportunity to learn more about farming from President Mnangagwa. At our farm, we are engaged in wheat, maize, and potato productions, as well as piggery, cattle, ranching, and fishing. President Mnangagwa always reminds us to be productive, and productive, because this is the only way we can build our country. I sincerely thank Minister Masuka for his visit and for the valuable lessons he shared with us. Doma developments are good pangwa muri Zimbabwe. These farms tichazoreva zvedu makore ari kutevera atoona kuti angachishandiswa these politicians panguva ine kuti vakwanise kuita zvavanenge vachida kuita panguva ino. Ipinda kumese kuchembedza fundo enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.